let's update your goals. Select My Goals. If you have a goal that you set last year and have completed that goal, check Completed. If you would like to edit or update your goal, select Edit. This academic school year, we need to add a new goal. Add Goal. Enter your goal name, your goal type, your goal category, the first step in achieving your goal, and a goal deadline. And then save. You have successfully updated your goal.